everybody, what's up? And it's Artistic Hits back with another video. Today we're going to be going back to code.org. And basically we're going to this is actually a pretty old video, one of my oldest videos on my channel, the soccer tutorial video that has gotten a lot of views. It's like 5 months old, 6 months. It's pretty much my second video on the channel, and it's gotten a lot of views. So I've decided to make a basketball game on code.org now. So as you can see, I've got the template that we need. If you want to do this along with me, I will put the link for this in the description below. So before you start watching, make sure to pause the video, go in the description, click on the link, open up the tab, and then unpause the video and then listen to what I have to say. So now that all the people that are getting the link probably got the link, I'm going to start my video. So we're going to be first naming our project. So I'm going to name mine basketball. You can name it anything you want, but in my opinion, I want to name it basketball. So now that we've done that, now we need to actually look at what we're working with. So you can see that it says create your own basketball game. You can change all the rules. When you're done, click share to let friends try your game on their phones. So as you can see, we have it right here. So basically what I'll do first is just click when run. So like you can see, we have our when run event. Of course we need that, and we have when left arrow and right arrow. So we have all these events. So right now if I click run, nothing's happening because we only have our events. We don't have our actions. So we have an event, but we don't have an action that makes the event happen. So, first of all, when we run, we need, first of all, to play a game of basketball, we need a ball. So, when run, we need to throw a new ball. Set the hand speed to normal. Normal should be good. And just set a team. You can pick in literally any team you want. Any team. So right now I'll just pick the Houston Rockets because I lived in Texas and Houston. I know Houston, I guess. So now that we've done this, you'll see that whenever we click run, the stadium has actually first of all changed, and there's a ball. So now we have to work on all these 6 events. So the first event we have here is the when left arrow clicked event. So this is actually very easy. It says when left arrow clicked. What do you want to do when we click the left arrow? What do we want to do? Move left. Like that's what the left arrow is for. When we click the left arrow, we want to move left. And the same thing goes for the right arrow. When we click the right arrow, we want to go to the right and not the left. See, if we put left here, move left, if we click the right arrow, it will still go to the left. So we have to put move right here instead of move left, because whenever we click the left arrow, we want to move to the left, and when we click the right arrow, we want to move to the right. Now, we have an event called when ball hits hand. So when the ball hits the hand, we want to play a bounce sound and bounce the ball, because what's the point in playing a bounce sound when you can't bounce the ball? So now you'll see that we can actually like bounce the ball. There you go. So now we've gotten that. When the ball hits the wall, see, for example, right now, when the ball hits the wall, let's try that again. When the ball hits the wall, it's just going through the wall. it, like, would the ball go through like the wall, go through any wall? No, it won't, right? It'll just like bounce off the wall. Like if you throw anything at a wall, it'll just bounce right off. So that's exactly what we need to do. When the ball hits the wall, we pretty much need to do what we did here, play the bounce sound and bounce the ball. So here we have a play bounce sound block, and we just need to bounce the ball. So now whenever the ball hits the wall, it bounces. It just bounces up and up and up. So now you got the picture of what I'm trying to say, we're going to go into the next event, which is called when ball in goal. So what it means by goal is right here, the hoop in basketball. So you need to get a point by throwing the ball in the hoop, right? So when the ball goes in the hoop or goal, first thing that we need is to score a point. We need to score a point. If we don't score a point, then it's not basketball, because in basketball, if you throw a basketball into the hoop, you get a point. So when the ball in goal, score a point and throw a new ball, because then if you score a point, then there won't be any more balls that you like. In real basketball, that's not true, because you can get a ball after you can get the ball after you make a goal. Like there, it made it in, and now a new one spawned, like that. So that's see, like if we didn't have this throw new ball, then look at what will happen. So let's just score this. So whenever you make a goal without the throw new ball, you'll just see. First, we need to get a goal. Now I got a goal, and then game over. There's nothing. The ball won't come out because I didn't put a throw new ball. So you need to put the throw new ball. And then, the final event that we have here is when ball misses hand. So what we have to do with this event is basically when the ball misses the hand, what happens? Like, if the ball misses the hand, then you lose a point, right? I mean, in real basketball, there's another hoop, but you can't make another hoop here, so we just have to make it like that, or create. So we should do when ball misses hand, we need the opponent to score a point, and then we need it to throw in another new ball, because again, like I said, if we don't throw a new ball, then it will be pretty much useless. So as you can see, okay, now let's just see how it works and test the game that we've made right now. So far we haven't gotten a single goal, but at least the opponent hasn't as well. So I think that's going to be a goal, and it's a goal, 1-0. And now you'll see that we have another ball that spawns. Now let's just lose a point, just to see if another ball comes whenever we lose a point. And there it goes. It just threw a new ball right after we failed, and the opponent got a goal on us and scored a point. So now that we know that our game is working, we can publish it by just sharing it, just doing that. So this is the link that I will put in the description. Whenever I put the link in, let me just show you. So when I put the link in, this is what will come up. So you want to click on how it works, and then here you go. You just remove everything that I've done. So you need to have to remix it so that you get your own version. and then you remove all the blocks we have right here that it just gives you by default. Don't look at any of them, and then you can follow along with what I say. And you will also want to rename it whatever you want. Again, I'll rename it as basketball 2 because I already have a basketball. And when you're done, I'm not done right now. When you're done, you just copy that and then paste it with your friends on like any site you want. So now that we're done with everything, I just want to say that I hope you liked my video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and make it turn gray as it is now red unless you have already subscribed. And make sure to comment and also share this with your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!